It's the return of the murderer, maniac madman, the fully automatic M11 in the handbag. The ending of it, the beginning of the Baghdad. Your brains load out, body in a trash bag. Unidentified, chalk him up a John Doe. Got most of the pieces, but they ain't found his arms though. It's far from a record, I'm different than these rap dudes. A real nigga won't hesitate to clap fools. E-mask you, come up to where you lay at. Cock back, squeeze, and put 'em where your face at. The nerve of you niggas believing I'ma play game. You know who I'm with, so I ain't gotta say name. You pussy, you a black Jew. Ain't never had love for y'all, make me clap you. And it's a done deal, don't fuck with what the truth is. Hide behind that motherfucking desk, but when the truth's here, it's on for you. I mean your lifeline shortens. Deaf to the niggas who disrespected the Jordan. I'm not a pop nigga, fuck what radio say, fuck what video do. Cause this is all day hood nigga, ain't gotta show you what my life like. Cause you a persecutor motherfucker like Mike. I ain't a house nigga scum like you fools is. I was bred, born and raised in this true shit. Funny how niggas get caught up in all the glamour, and then they finally come to grips that this can happen. To anybody won't discriminate who gets this. Get in the way and you a victim of a death wish. A declaration of a war against a warning. Follow the leader but be aware your opponent is in the window, got gorillas where you rest at. Be prepared to hit a motherfucker like that.
Alright, let's get serious. Fuck the rap game, I'm the realest nigga, period. If you ain't feeling me, you know how it goes. Jump bitch, I can't wait to kill one of you hoes. It's on if we got beef. You can be a cop, a drug dealer, or a pro athlete. Bottom line, I don't give a fuck about you. If I pop you in the neck, I bet some blood come out you. While your labor on it behind you, greasing his dick. Your stupid ass on a video, cheesing his shit. Jay ain't shorted me a dime if he owe you bucks. The way I see it, you a bitch and you deserve to be fucked. Willie D is a nigga that'll bloody your clothes. Don't think you know me cause you know to hook the ball head hoe. I light you up with a sawed off. And stab your ass in the leg, in the chest, in the back and mouth.
Alright, nigga. Stab him in the leg, in the chest, in the back and mouth. Let him haul him off. Give me a motherfucking Henny shotty and a bumper PCP. I'll kill anybody. Bust him in the ass till he's still. I'm Chuck Wick, bitch, your Achilles heel. A short nigga quick to give a tall ass whooping. Got a chip on my shoulder about the size of Brooklyn. Looking to start shit, I ain't scary like Scooby or Shaggy. Piss me off, you better duck like Daffy. Even if you in a rest home, I'll pop ya. Even if you got a vest on, I'll drop ya.
Funny how niggas get caught up in all the glamour, and then they finally come to grips that this can happen. To anybody won't discriminate who gets this. Get in the way and you a victim of a death wish. A declaration of a war against a warning. Follow the leader but be aware your opponent is in the window, got gorillas where you rest at. Be prepared to hit a motherfucker like that.
boy, listen to the boy, listen to the boy, listen to the boy.